Governor Andrew Cuomo announced recently that New York will begin a major reopening on May 19th. Wow, an open city. What's that going to be like? You know what? It's been so long that I can't quite remember.
Me either. The streets have been so empty for the past year.
But now the city's going to be full of people again, I guess?
Yeah, we will have to have a normal daily routine.
That involves leaving the house?
With other people?
Wait a second. Guys, I think I'm starting to remember. You wake up, you go to that place you've been 1,000 times before, and there's a picture of a little coffee cup right on their front door. What's that place called again?
Starbucks!
That's right!
I'm starting to remember. You walk to work, it's quite a schlep. But there's this stuff you don't want on your shoes, so you watch every step. It's all
dog shit!
That's right, it's everywhere!
We can't wait to do it all, even the parts we can't recall, 'cause the city is opening up.
A stranger stares and holds his gaze. As I walk by him, he shouts a special phrase. It's a...
I love the way that ass shakes.
Oh yeah, they yell that a lot.
You get to work and socialize. That weird office girl talks about this as she looks you right in the eyes.
Oh, the progression of her foot fungus from treatable to untreatable.
We find it quite appealing, the way that nature's healing, 'cause the city is opening up.
I cannot wait to see my friends.
To talk to the guy whose stories never end.
I'll visit my bodega and their cat.
And I'll smile when the cashier says, wow, you've gotten so fat. We've all gotten so fat. Get out from behind your computer. Enjoy the fear of an active shooter. 'Cause the city...
We're gonna need a bigger bra.
The city... Oops, I got COVID. The city...